friends, welcome to the next part of the video. In today's video, we will be seeing about the different theorems which we have in the triangles, and I hope up till now what we have covered in the triangles must be clear from the last two videos which we were studying. So let's start with the theorem number 7.2 of the NCERT textbook. Let's see what the theorem states here. Angle opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. So theorem states that angle opposite to an equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. We need to prove that angle B is equals to angle C. Why? ABC is an isosceles triangle means these two sides will be equal. So let's see what is given in the question is थ्योरम को प्रूफ करना है. लास्ट वाली थ्योरम को हमने इसीलिए प्रूफ नहीं किया which is because the proof is been eliminated from the portion right now, but for another theorems we have proof. We need to prove as we used to prove in the lines and angles. So angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle. If it is given isosceles triangle, can I say my side AB will be equal to AC? My AB will be equal to AC. And what I need to prove is we need to prove that angle B is equals to angle C मुझे prove करना है. So that's what it is given stated in the statement which is the theorem number 7.2. Let's see अगर यदि मैं ये दोनों triangles को congruent proof कर दूं, so can I say that कि my angle B will be equal to angle C? उसके लिए मुझे छोटा सा construction करना पड़ेगा. So the construction part of it is construct AD such that angle A is a bisector of AD. So angle A is a bisector of AD. अगर angle A bisector है, if this is angle 1, this is angle 2, can I say angle 1 will be equal to angle 2? Angle 1 will be equal to angle 2 because it is a bisector. अगर angle 1 angle 2 के equal है, now the proof will start. And if I take these two triangles, let in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, ये दोनों ही triangle के अंदर can I say that AD and AD are equal? AD is AD common है. So AD is equals to AD which is common between the two triangles. This is common between the two triangles. And it is given that AB is equals to AC. AB किसके equal है? AC के equal है which is given in the question. Fine. And we have constructed that angle 1 is equals to angle 2 because angle A is a bisector of AD. So can we say that these three things, if the three things are there, three things are equal, we can say that the two triangles are congruent. We can say that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. By which rule? That is very important. By side angle side. So SAS rule से हम बोल सकते हैं ये दोनों triangle कैसे हैं? Congruent हैं. If these two triangles are congruent by CPCT, we can say that angle B will be equal to angle C. So angle B is nothing but equal to angle C by CPCT, and hence we have proved the theorem. If for the isosceles triangle, the sides opposite to the equal angles will be equal. So keep in mind that sides opposite to equal angles of the isosceles triangles are equal. So this is the theorem we can use in any problem statement now. So we have just proved the theorem by just proving that the two triangles are congruent. I hope you must have understood the theorem. The theorem given to you is the sides opposite to equal angles of a triangles are equal. ये अगर यदि आप पढ़ोगे ध्यान से तो आपको समझ में आएगा. It is the converse of the theorem of 7.2. 7.2 में बोला था अगर sides equal है तो equal opposite angles भी equal होने चाहिए. इधर बोला है the sides opposite to equal angles must be equal. So here what they have given is angle B angle C के equal दिया है. प्रूफ करना है कि AB AC के equal है. So what is given in this theorem is angle B is equals to angle C, and we need to prove the sides are equal means AB is equals to AC हमको proof equal करना है. So what we can do is again we need to construct. क्या construct करेंगे? AD is a bisector of angle A. AD is a bisector of angle A. Angle A का bisector है. Again if I take this angle 1 and angle 2, there will be equal. Angle 1 will be equal to angle 2 because there is a bisector. अगर ये proof कर दूं कि ये दोनों triangle जो है congruent है, again I can say that AB will be equal to AC. The same work I need to do in triangle ABD and triangle ACD. Again I can say AD is common between both. AD is equals to AD which is common. ये कैसी साइड है? कॉमन साइड है. एंड आई कैन से एंगल B is equals to angle D which is given in the question, and angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Why? Because it is a bisector. So from these 2-3 conditions I can say that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by which rule? By angle side rule. angle side rule. तो ASA रूल या AAS रूल कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं आप लोग. सो एंगल साइड एंगल रूल से ये दोनों ट्राइंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो गए. अगर ये दोनों ट्राइंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट है मतलब कि इनकी साइड्स भी इक्वल होंगी बाय CPCT. सो AB विल बी इक्वल टू AC बाय CPCT. यही चीज हमको क्या करनी थी? प्रूफ करनी थी. सो आई होप बोथ द थ्योरम्स मस्ट बी क्लियर टू यू. One was if the sides are equal then their opposite angles will be equal, and if their opposite angles are equal their opposite sides will be equal. तो दोनों ही थ्योरम एक दूसरे की कन्वर्स थी. एक समझ में आ गई तो दूसरी आराम से समझ में आ जाएगी. So we will be solving few sums related to these theorems, and the theorems which we have already studied, those are going to come in the picture again. Let's have a look. Now let's have a look on this question. Triangle ABC, the bisector AD of angle A is perpendicular to the side BC. So I can say this is angle 1 and angle 2. It is given in the question. AD is a bisector. So angle 1 will be equal to angle 2. And it is given in the question AD of an angle A is perpendicular to side BC. This is perpendicular to side BC. If this is angle 3 and angle 4, I can say that angle 3 is equals to angle 4 is equals to 90 degree, which is again given in the question. Show that AB is equals to AC. AB AC के equal है, that we need to prove. What we need to prove? AB is equals to AC. How we can prove AB is equals to AC? अगर ये दोनों triangles को congruent proof कर दिया तो AB AC के equal proof हो जाएगा. So, and triangle ABC is isosceles, and we need to prove the triangle ABC is isosceles. How we can prove triangle ABC is isosceles? If these two sides are equal, the triangle will be isosceles. So let's have a look over here. So how can we prove it? Very simple. In triangle, let this be D. This is AD because in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, क्या मैं बोल सकती हूँ angle 1 angle 2 के equal है? Given in the question. Angle 3 angle 4 के equal है because it is 90 degree. So this is given part of the question. Fine. Now can I say that AD, the side AD is common between the two triangles? So AD is equals to AD, which is common between the two triangles. So we can say that by angle side angle property, the two triangles are congruent to each other. So triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by ASA rule. So if these two triangles are congruent, we can say that AB is equals to AC by CPCT. AB AC के equal है by CPCT. So I hope the sum was too short and must be clear to you. क्योंकि हम लोग अभी congruency के इतने sums करते आए हैं कि ये sum आपको अभी clear होना चाहिए. So let's see few more sums related to the isosceles triangles what we have. Let's have a look on a question over here. E and F are respectively the midpoints of their equal side AB and AC. E किसका midpoint है? AB का midpoint है. Means these two sides will be equal. And F is a midpoint for AC. So this two sides will be equal. Fine. And it is being told in the question equal sides of which are the equal sides AB and AC. So what is given in the question is AB is equals to AC. It is given in the question in the triangle ABC. What we need to prove is we need to prove that BF is equals to CE. तो BF and CE कौन सी दो साइड्स हैं जो कौन सी दो ट्राइंगल्स में आते हैं? ये वाला साइड and this side. Can I say these are the two sides? These are the two triangles which cover these two sides. ये वाला एक ट्राइंगल, एक ब्लू से कलर किया, एक रेड से कलर किया है. So if I prove that these two triangles are congruent, then work is done. Because अगर congruent proof कर दिया तो बोल सकते हैं कि BF CE के equal है by CPCT. So what we need is proof में सबसे पहले ये decide करना आना चाहिए कि कौन से दो triangles हमें लेने हैं. Triangle ABF and triangle ACE. ACE. Can I say that in these two triangle AB is equals to AC, which is given in the question? AB is equals to AC, which is given in the question. And I can say that angle A is common in both the triangles. So angle A is equals to angle A, which is common between both the triangles. Now what I can say is, अगर मैं ये वाला portion consider करूँ, so this is AF and AF is nothing but equal to, this AF will be equal to AE. AF will be equal to AE. Why they are equal? Halves of equal side. They are the halves of equal side. Can I say that ये दोनों side equal है and मैंने बोला ये वाला portion के equal है. If we prove here, let's see, AB is equals to AC and AB को मैं twice of AE लिख सकती हूँ because E is the midpoint of AB. Similarly, I can write twice of AF, and if I cancel out twice and twice both the side, AE AF के equal है. I hope now the point must be clear कि AF and AE कैसे equal आए. So both the sides are clear. So we have three equal things. So we can say that the triangle ABF is congruent to triangle ACE. By which rule they are congruent? By side angle side property. By side angle side rule they are congruent. And if the two triangles are congruent, can we say that BF is equals to CE by CP CT? So by corresponding parts of congruent triangle, we can say that these two sides are also equal. Now let's have a look to this question. In an isosceles triangle ABC, कैसा triangle है? Isosceles है. Isosceles है मतलब कि AB will be equal to AC. So what is given in the question is AB is equals to AC. And D and E are the points on line BC such that what is given BE is equals to CD it is given. And what we need to prove is we need to show that AD is equals to AE. AD AE के equal है. तो अच्छा अभी AD AE के equal कब proof कर सकते हैं? अगर मैं ये दोनों triangle को congruent proof कर दूं तो then I can say AD will be equal to AE by CPCT. So let's have a proof. Let's look to a proof for the in triangle ABD and triangle ACE. Triangle ACE. तो ये दोनों triangles में हमको क्या करना है? We need to prove it congruent. So it is already given in the question. AB is equals to AC. AB किसके equal है? AC के equal है. It is given in the question. Now what is there in the question is, if the two triangles are congruent, we have already know from theorem 7.2, if the triangle is isosceles, the sides opposite to the equal angles will be equal. So angle B will be equal to angle C. Angles opposite to equal side. Angles opposite to equal side are equal. This is nothing but the theorem 7.2 states. So angle B angle C के equal है, AB AC के equal है. Now what is given to us is BE is equals to CD. This BE is equals to CD. दोनों के बीच में DE आ रहा है. अगर DE माइनस कर दूं, BE minus DE is equals to CD minus DE कर दूं. So BE में से DE हटा दिया तो क्या बचेगा? BD मिलेगा. And पूरा DC में से DE हटा दिया क्या मिलेगा? EC मिलेगा. So can I say these two sides are equal? And this is nothing but the sides for the corresponding triangles. So from this I can say that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACE by which rule? Side angle side. So SAS रूल से दोनों ही ट्राइंगल कैसे हो गए? कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो गए. अगर दोनों ट्राइंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो गए देन वी कैन से दैट AD इज इक्वल्स टू AE बाय CPCT. यही तो प्रूफ करना था. AD इज इक्वल्स टू AE बाय CPCT. सो दिस इज नथिंग बट व्हाट वी नीड टू प्रूफ. अगर ट्राइंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट कर दिए तो उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स एंड एंगल्स इक्वल हो जाते हैं. Have a look to the question here. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. This triangle is an isosceles triangle. तो ये दोनों साइड इक्वल हो गई. So what is given in the question is AB is equals to AC. It is given in the question. Why? Because it is an isosceles triangle. अगर ये isosceles है तो ये वाला एंगल भी इक्वल होगा. Angle 1 will be equal to angle 2 by the theorem. Side BA is produced to D. Side BA is produced to D means it is extended to D such that AD AD this side is equals to AC. It is given in the question AD is equals to AC. अगर ये दोनों साइड इक्वल हैं तो ये इसके अपोजिट एंगल्स भी इक्वल होंगे. Let it be angle 3 and angle 4. So angle 3 will be equal to angle 4. So angle 3 is equals to angle 4. Now show that what we need to show is, what we need to prove is angle BCD is a right angle. I need to prove in short angle C is equals to 90 degree. मुझे प्रूफ करना है कि ये right angle है या नहीं है. Angle 2 plus angle 3 should be equal to 90 degree. I need to prove that. So what all I can do here is, already I know it is an isosceles triangle. AB is equals to AC. Angle 1 angle 2 के equal है, angle 3 angle 4 के equal है. Now in the proof, in triangle, पूरा triangle ले रही हूँ BDC. पूरे ट्राइंगल में अगर एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी लगा दिया तो कैन आई से एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 4 प्लस एंगल 2 प्लस एंगल 3 विल गिव यू 180 डिग्री बाय एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी. दिस इज बाय एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी. एंड यू ऑलरेडी नो दैट फ्रॉम द गिवन कंडीशन एंगल 1 किसके इक्वल है, एंगल 2 के इक्वल है. सो इन प्लेस ऑफ एंगल 1 आई कैन राइट एंगल 2 एंड इन प्लेस ऑफ एंगल 4 आई कैन राइट एंगल 3. सो एंगल 3 प्लस एंगल 2 प्लस एंगल 3 इज इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री. So angle 2 plus angle 2 will give you twice of angle 2 plus twice of angle 3 is equals to 180 degree. Can we take out 2 common? If we take out 2 common, it will be angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 180 degree. Now angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 180 divided by 2, which is nothing but 90 degree. So angle 2 plus angle 3 का sum कितना आ गया, 90 degree आ गया, which is nothing but angle C. यही तो हमको proof कर रहा था कि angle BCD is a right angle. So we can say that this triangle is a right angle triangle. I hope you must have understood the sum. Now let's have a look onto this question. ABC, triangle ABC and triangle DBC are the two isosceles triangle. If they are isosceles triangle, it means AB is equals to AC. It is given in the question. And BD will be equal to DC. Because both the triangles are an isosceles triangle on the same base BC. Show that what we need to prove in the question is angle ABD, this whole angle is equals to angle ACD. ये prove करना है. So if I join this, अगर मैं AD को join कर दूं and अगर ये दोनों triangle को congruent prove करूं, so I can say that these two angles will be equal by CPCT. So let's have a look. Let's see how we can prove in triangle ABD and triangle ACD. What we can do is, what we know, AB किसके equal है, AC के equal है. It is given in the question. AB is equals to AC. BD is equals to DC. BD is equals to DC. These two things are given in the question. And we can say that AD is common between the two triangles. So AD is equals to AD, which is nothing but common between the two triangles. If the three sides are equal, we can say that the triangle are congruent by SSS rule. So triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by SSS rule. So this is the way how we can prove the triangle congruent, and by CPCT we can say that angle ABD is equal to angle ACD by CPCT. I hope the sum must be clear to you, and you must have seen the sums are quite easy if you go step by step. So we will stop this video here, and we will be seeing some more few theorems which are left in the next video, and we will be solving the sums related to those theorems. I hope you must have liked the content and you must have understood up till now what we have been learning in the chapters triangles. So thank you and have a good day. If you like it, like, share and subscribe with your friends. Bye bye.